If you're searching for a chunky gold watch that demands respect, then Guess have you covered. This luxurious number is the Guess GW0456G1 Phoenix. Featuring a square face and a chronograph dial, with a slightly curved gold tone case and a smooth link bracelet, this is a pretty solid package. The standout styling is sure to be a great conversation starter, and it almost has an Art Deco feel to it. Looking closer at the dial, there's a few different textures going on, especially behind these subdials where there's a bunch of little cogs and wheels where the movement would be. This is known as a skeleton face. I'm not entirely sure they're doing much, but at least it looks cool. Speaking of that movement, we have a Japanese quartz movement inside, which seems to be pretty reliable and of course accurate. This watch would pair perfectly with a thick gold chain wrapped around your neck and probably a wad of cash in your back pocket too. So if you're someone who regularly rocks that type of look, then I would definitely recommend picking up a gold Guess watch. On my wrist, this clearly wears a little big, but surprisingly doesn't hang over the edges much, if at all. Being a 43mm, it is going to wear quite big. My wrist measures about 6 inches around, so if you've got a larger wrist, this one will wear pretty nicely. The gold tone bracelet feels nice enough, but something to note is this first link connected to the case only has a small range of motion, so you could almost treat it as part of the case. It does make sense since it's naturally following the shape of the case down to the bracelet. However, it could pose an issue if you had a very large wrist. Anyway, I gotta say, this watch probably isn't for me, but I can absolutely respect it. It's a pretty cool looking watch, and it's definitely going to be a conversation starter. If you're liking the look of this flashy watch, head on down to the description and click the link to go to watchdepot.com.au. We have heaps of Guess watches to choose from, so please do have a look through the range. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.